Hey guys, my name is Reyes Patil. I am from Pune, India. So this is a final project for the CS50 Python from Harvard University, edX. So the name of my project is Intellibot, which is a virtual assistant that I have built using Python, and which is used to help perform variety of tasks. Uh, so guys, now we'll see the working of this virtual assistant. For that, we have used various modules. For example, the PYTT6 3, it is a speech, it is used for text to speech conversion. Then the speech recognition module, it is used for speech recognition and processing voice commands, date and time to extract time. Then Wikipedia, to extract information from Wikipedia, the web browser to open for opening websites, then pivot kit to send the WhatsApp messages, then PyAutoGI to automate our task for opening an application or anything like that, then PyGIS to crack a normal joke. So now moving on, let's get into the main coding part. So for that, so as you can see, we have used a speech recognition model. For that, we have used Shopify, which is a Microsoft-based API for speech recognition. So for that, we have globally declared a variable here to initialize the engine. Also, we have globally declared the Chrome path for accessing Chrome while searching for websites or searching over internet. So now let's get into the main function. So in main function, we have used a loop that keeps running until the program is terminated. Inside the loop, for voice commands from the user, we are using the take command function. It is used to perform action based on the user commands such as searching on Wikipedia, accessing date, time, greet someone, open certain web pages or YouTube, listening music, etc. This function, so basically we have used condition statements like if, else, and else to determine what actions are to be taken based on the voice commands by the user. So for example, you can see if a user asks the virtual assistant to play music, it will fetch into this music directory and output the and like output the and open the first file that is present in the directory. Also, if the user asks for what is the time, then it shows the output is the time is and the current time. Also, for example, if you want to open certain applications like open code, for your code means VS Code, so it fetches the path of that VS Code and it opens it. Also, like to close the code, open Chrome, close Chrome, send messages, like this is for sending WhatsApp messages. Then open WhatsApp for opening WhatsApp. Shut down this if like user asks the virtual assistant to shut down. So the virtual assistant will shut down the system in take 10 seconds. Also like open GitHub, task manager, etc. So now the next function we have is today's date, which is just get to a current date and time. Also the Wikipedia, which is used to access web pages or information over from Wikipedia. In joke to crack a random joke, get from. This is a function to use Google Chrome for searching over internet or accessing any other information like opening YouTube, etc. Then get GitHub to open our GitHub. Speak audio. This is in this function. This function takes string as an argument and converts it into speech using the PYTT6 module. For example, here we can see we have if the user commands the assistant to play something, it asks the user what should I play, and based on the command, it plays like on YouTube. Then wish me, it is used for greeting the user when he runs the program. Then take command, this is used to take this function is a custom function like defined in a program which is it is used to take input from the user in the form of speech or text and return the user command as a string. So guys, that's all for the project. Also, I would like to thank edX for providing this course. It's been a great learning experience, and I have learned a lot about Python programming, APIs, and all those things in this program. So, thank you for listening. Hope you enjoyed.